Shri Ram, Shri Ram.
Okay, so namaste to everybody joining us from all over the world. Technically, we have registrants from Africa, from Europe, from Thailand, from Singapore, and a lot of countries, and Indian Ocean also. So I would like to first of all thank Shantanuji for his precious time with the Ramayana School, the concept of Ramayana School. This program is being conducted in collaboration with the VHP Mauritius, of which I am the General Secretary and also the trustee for the Africa region, Indian Ocean and Africa region. And also we have the Hindu Youth Council of Mauritius and also a think tank by the name of Agniveer. So bienvenue, आपका स्वागत है, हार्दिक स्वागत है हमारे इस कार्यक्रम में। तो शंतनु जी, आप कृपया इस कार्यक्रम का आरंभ कीजिए। श्री गणेश कीजिए। नमस्ते।
Thank you, Ashwinji. Thanks a lot. And thank you, all of you from various parts of the world. And more people are joining. Amit, Kavishji, make sure people keep. Which character of Ramayana is closest to you? We have various characters, right? We have Dashrath, we have King Dashrath, we have Kekai, Sumitra, Kaushalya ji, right? Okay. So Hanumanji is the clear winner, right? And the interesting part is, which I always love to notice in a lot of my classes, Ramayana is what? Ramayana. It's a story of Ramayana. It's a story of Rama. It's a biography of Rama. In a biography of Rama, who is your favorite? Not Rama, Hanuman. That's so interesting. How did you feel any comments about the session today?
Again, namaste. So
feedback is very important.
Yeah. So this turned out to be a really amazing program, and the advertising was good. I would like to first of all thank Kavish ji, Manish ji, Nitish ji, Arvind ji, Girish ji for our first meeting, very first meeting when we had the first Zoom with you. And I imagine, because I watched some other of your programs, but this one turned out to be really amazing. Now over to Kavish ji for.
Jai Shri Ram, bahut dhanyawad Shantanu ji. I will speak in English. So I was very impressed for the level of presentation that you gave us, Shantanu ji, and you made Ramayana. We saw it in a totally different window. It's quite different from the kathas that we used to listen from our pandits. Today we really learn leadership lessons, and there are many more things, more inspiration to learn from the Ramayana.
हम है तो मुंबई से, अभी बैंकॉक में रहते हैं कुछ सालों से।
बैंकॉक थाईलैंड में। ओके।
ये जो आप कर रहे हैं बहुत ही अच्छा लगा जान के, क्योंकि किसी तरह से हम लोग, जो आप कह रहे हो ना, अपने जड़ों से हम लोग टूट गए हैं। बहुत से लोग जिन्हों घरों में रामायण चलती है या पढ़ते हैं, वो भी एक तरह से एक सीरियल की तरफ में चले गई है, बट जो उसका असली रस है, जो आप बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इसमें मैनेजमेंट लेसन है, इसमें अपने परिवार के प्रति हर सिचुएशन के लिए एक सॉल्यूशन है इस रामायण के अंदर।
ये जो आप जो प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, ये पहली बार हम लोग एक्चुअली ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं अद्वैत को लेके, एंड माय वाइफ वाज रियली वेरी हैप्पी। मतलब ऐसा है कि हमारे बिजी शेड्यूल में अभी रामायण का पाठ, जैसे हम लोगों ने हमारे पूर्वजों दादा दादियों से सुना था, आपका ही एक मतलब यहाँ पे मैं एक्चुअली सुन रहा था, मैं वहाँ पे काम कर रहा था कि आपने बोला कि दादा दादी तभी सब न्यूक्लियर फैमिली हो गए हैं, तो इनको ये मौका मिलता नहीं है, बहुत ही कम मौका मिलता है। और आप लोग जो कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत ही बढ़िया चीज है।
I'm going to Kaviraj ji, Bhunjun ji. Kaviraj ji, namaskar.
Namaskar, Gupta ji. I will speak in English. मुझे बहुत हिंदी नहीं आता.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Mauritius. I'm from Mauritius Island. I'm really impressed about this Zoom chat, and also all the knowledge that you're sharing. And in fact, this is our power. I mean, this is the tool, a media that we have to use all around the island, around the world, just to conscientize our Hindu brothers and sisters and families, parivar, to make us understand, because we are losing too much of our culture, and the rest of the world are taking over on our they're going ahead, like. So I'm really impressed, and I would like to know, because we would like to I will share it. I already share it in some chat room here that we have built, so in WhatsApp and Facebook. So I'm here from Mauritius, and I will share my WhatsApp number. Anyone, I mean, even you, we can develop this. I mean, ahead here also, I will have a lot of people here joining.
Thank you, Kaviraj ji. Currently,
hi, hello everybody. Namaskar. It was very nice to see all these people connected today, and we come to know about Ramayana. In fact, when we were small kids, we used to watch a Hindi serial, and from that time we still remember a few things. But after today's quiz, I felt like, I forgot so many things. It's time to again start reading our Ramayana, and it was nice, very nice.